Okay guys, I am at a leasing office, and this leasing office has a few cameras in front and in the rear, and it has a pool in the back of the leasing office as well. Issue is, when someone jumps in the pool after hours, no one knows. If someone jumps the gate, no one's there to deter them if they ignore the sign, which can cause liability, but we have a solution. So in this location is where you would find the pool, and this is where most of the liability is on a property. So if someone jumps the fence after hours to access the pool, no one knows. But what we've done is we created a rule that will activate after the property closes, and whenever this camera sees someone back here, it will respond. The system will respond to tell them, hey, you're not supposed to be here, leave immediately. It will respond every 2 minutes if the person doesn't leave. It will also send a live video feed to the security on staff, or the security personnel, or property manager, or whoever is assigned, so they can see it on their phone or on the television or on their touch screens, so they can take action if needed. But this is a great way to assist with liability issues at leasing offices with Arden and Jetson's Living.